Hey guys, what's up? This is MLOw. Today's episode I want to be able to share with you is a table that I was able to put together that I found. I think it was on Bamboo Maker World, I believe, that I found the table, and I wanted to be able to print it out. And so today's episode and what you're gonna watch is me putting this table together, and you're gonna see the end finished product of it. It was pretty cool. If you notice, my babies are actually sleeping right now. They're all knocked out. They have been working nonstop, and sometimes I like to give them a break. I like to give myself a break sometimes, which I think that's okay for anyone that does this. Take a break. Just know though, your machines are to make you product, make you money, make you something. You just don't want to buy a 3D printer and not do anything with it. So I do want to let you know that if you do like this video, please subscribe. Leave a comment. Let us know. I haven't put a video out in a moment, but that's why I'm here. I'm going to share this video with you, and I hope you like it. Hi guys, welcome to MLOw's 3D printing, and here we're gonna put this table together. I got a link up there I'm gonna show you a quick video of, but I'm gonna be putting this little end table together. Here's all the pieces. The reason why I haven't shot a video is because I've been waiting for filament to come, and that's why we're here today. And you're gonna see me put all this together. It does come with these little notch things here, and then you put them on there. So I already started putting those little things on there because I got so excited to put it on there. So I'm gonna assemble all these things. So these are the tops. I know I don't need this right now. I need to get the base to it. So I'm gonna put all this together. But before I do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloves on. And reason why is because I'm also gonna be gluing it down. And when I glue it down, I don't want to get any of that stuff on my fingers. So, all right, here we go. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what else you'd like me to print out. I could print it out. Or who knows, maybe the next print, what I might do is I might print it out and give it away. Also, in this episode, I'm going to be showing somewhat of a video of a friend of mine commissioned me to do something for them. They wanted this Game of Thrones lamp, and I was able to print it out. I did have a few hiccups in it, and I'll show you in the video the hiccups that are in that. All right, guys, thank you again. If you like it, please subscribe, leave a comment. Let's talk some more. I really like doing these videos, and the next one I think should be pretty cool. I'm gonna try to put something together, and I hope that you guys could be able to join and like and spread the word. Again, thank you again. This is MLOw's 3D printing.